Hi Nino, Matt, and Ellie. You might be wondering, no, why I decided to create these kinds of videos because I want to leave something for you in the future that you can watch anytime and also look back, no, ano yung mga pinanggagawa ni Papa nyo, no, and also leave you something that you can use in your life moving forward. I know all of you are still very young, and by the time you watch this and you understand what I'm talking about, you're in high school or college already. But why I want you to learn this, because these are the learnings that I've gathered, no, from all those experiences that have experienced along the way. And sayang naman if hindi ko siya ma-impart sa inyo. Not only to you three, but to everyone that's watching this. One thing that I want to share with you is that your thoughts or your mind is very powerful. Paano? Because dati, I wasn't really maximizing my mind. I was just letting it control me. Kumbaga, autopilot. And then, one day, I was so blessed that meron akong book na nabasa. And this book shared with me that hindi dapat yung utak ko yung may control sa akin. Ako dapat yung may control sa utak ko. What does this mean? It means that we can change our focus according to what we want. Amazing, di ba? It taught me that I can change my thoughts. Kasi dati, may mga times din, puro basura yung pumapasok sa utak ko. No? Because you just let it be. So, everything that's negative would just enter my mind. And then, what happens? I would be in a very negative state. I would act that way. I would, kumbaga, pinapakita ko through my behaviors. And then, alam mo, when I was able to change my thoughts to more positive, good, no? Being so grateful and thankful, nagbago din yung behavior ko. The things that I was doing became more positive. My life, our life, no? Naging mas maginhawa. And because of that, sabi ko, there must be something that I need to know more. That's why I studied NLP. As you know, I'm an NLP trainer kasi nakita nyo naman yung pagtsatsaga ko dito, no? Na kayong tatlo, or ikaw, Nino, and Matt, when even though you're studying, I'm also studying along with you. And with the power of my thoughts, I was able to create the life that we want. And you yourself, na-experience nyo yan. As you grow up, always focus on the things that you want. I want you to set clear goals, ano yung gusto nyong marating, kasi it will give you direction in life compared to not having any goals na parang barko ka, that you don't have a sail, no? Walang patutunguhan, or you feel like a, a boat that doesn't have direction, no? Na palutang-lutang lang sa dagat. It's better to have a goal so that you can put your energy, you know where to put your energy and use your energy. And aside from that, I want you to also be flexible. I want you to remember that your goals can be changed. Hindi naman importante talaga na you stick with that goal. Baka after a while, you realize that hindi na pala importante sa iyo yung goal nyo. So when that happens, then have the flexibility to just change and go for another goal. It's very important, no, to maximize your thoughts to your advantage, because what I learned with all my readings in NLP, that our thoughts become who we are, and your thoughts become your life. So if you're focusing on positive thoughts, everything that's good, then your life becomes positive and good. That's the power there, no? You will be experiencing struggles, hindi mawawala yan, pero when you have the right process, the right techniques, you get to overcome life, you be a better individual, and you attract the life that you want. I think ito muna yung ituturo ko sa inyo, no? And let's do this one step at a time. And everyone that's watching, I'm thankful and grateful that you're here to also get some insights that you can use in your life. So again, your mind is very powerful. Focus on what you want, no? So focus on the good things, focus on the positive, focus on your goals, because the more that you focus on what you want, the more that you take action. Unconsciously, you will be drawn to take action towards achieving your goal. In order for you to do that, you need to be clear muna kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay, before I forget, I'm June Acevedo. I'm a NLP trainer and a husband and father. See you again in next videos. I'll be doing this, no, life insights, anything that I can give you so that nagagamit nyo siya sa buhay ninyo. God bless everyone, and have a great day ahead.